People can know. So the reason I'm going to record this, I want you guys to think about this, keep it in mind. I wanted to keep it in mind of these detailed statistics that I'm going to lay out to you guys. And so, fan of mine has said the statistics that I just read, where Trinidad, last 7 games Trinidad have played, they have kept 6 clean sheets in it. And fan of mine also said that if you look in context, the type of teams that they play against could have overinflated the statistics. Now I'm going to show you something. Now this is our statistics. This is the last. I'm going to bring you the last 8 games that the Reggae Boyz have played. So here, these games are under Coach Himir Al Grimson. These are all his games. We lost 3-0. As you can see here, we lost 3-0. 3-0. That's 3-0. We drew Cameroon 1-1. We drew Trinidad 0-0. My apologies, it's 0-0. Then we lost to Trinidad 1-0. Then we drew Mexico 2-2. Then Jordan. People remind me of the Jordan game. We lost to Jordan 2-1. I think we lost to Qatar as well. We drew Qatar. How did the Qatar results go, people? Someone remind me. Did we lose to Qatar and Jordan? I would drew one of them. I don't think we lost both games. I can't remember. I don't remember. I must have game we lose. I not if can keep check. In the comment section. Daniel Dale said, military, you lost the argument. What team played those games? That is flawed. Listen to me, people. I'm going to show now. He said that is flawed. I want you to listen keenly. When you keep on and say flawed, I want you to listen keenly. This is the last 8 games. So we lose both games 2-2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lose that as well. Then, so let me bring back the result. Let me bring back the results, people. Let me bring it up. We lost to Qatar and Jordan. So Argentina, Cameroon, drew Trinidad. Lost to Trinidad. Drew Mexico. We lose the 2 friendlies. Then we lost to USA. We drawed USA 1-1. My apologies. We drawed USA 1-1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 games that we have played under Himir Al Grimson. So basically you said the statistics are flawed. Listen to this keenly. Numbers don't lie. Numbers do not lie. You have to play the team that is in front of you. There's a lot of variables, and I agree and I understand that there's a lot of variables where they're concerned. But listen to this statistics now. This is our statistics, you know. So in in those 8 games, we have won 0. We have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4. We have drawn 4. And we have lost 4. We have drawn 4 and we have lost 4. Listen to this now. This is a damning part of it. Want you to listen keenly. Listen people, listen keenly. We have conceded 3 against Argentina. 3 against Argentina, 1 against Cameroon, that's 4 goals. 1 against Trinidad, that's 5 goals. 2 against Mexico, that's 7. Jordan and 2 goals against Jordan as well, that's 9. 2 against Qatar, that is 11. And 1 against USA. So we have conceded 11 goals. Let's see how much you score. 1 against USA. 1, 2, Jordan and Qatar, that's 3. Mexico, that's 5. And we have scored 6 goals. We have scored 6 goals. During that same time period, we have scored 6 goals. Conceding 11, conceding double amount of goals. So we play 8 games, conceded 11, and scored 6. We still haven't even averaging a goal per game. We still haven't averaged a goal per game as yet. Now, listen to this now. In those 6 goals, I'm going to tell you how much of those goals we scored from set piece. I want you to listen. How much of those goals we scored from set piece. 1 against USA. Against, I think the 2 goals against Jordan. Let me check it. As we say, I know one quote wrong. Good. Qatar, 1 against Qatar. 1 against USA, 1 against Qatar. That's 2. 3 against Jordan. 3 against Jordan. So out of the 6 goals we scored, 3 of those goals are from set pieces. 3 of those goals are from set pieces. 1 is an own goal. So if you look into that, we have only scored 2 goals from open play out of 8 games. Think about that, people. Since I said the statistics are flawed, when I think about that, that's why I say people, una look upon said the team, never the right team. That's how we keep on saying. We keep on speak about this is not the right team. This is just a make-up team. This is just a team looking at it. All matters. Every single detail, every single fact, it all mattered. We have only scored 2 goals in open play since in the past in 8 games. 8 games. And we have conceded how much goals, how much penalties we concede during the same time period there. We not concede no penalties. All of our goals them are pull them apart. Fun of mine at what I'm saying is at the end of the day, our statistics is horrible. They played it in that time period. Not fun of mine. In that time period, all I'm saying is we are in that same clean sheet bracket against Jamaica. So no matter what put it, we are going in a tournament with hopes to draw fouls and score from set pieces. Daniel said our senior players didn't play those games. We keep on and say that. Alright. So listen to the games now. Since that's not the excuse. Fine. Leon Park said quality of opponent. Let's go to the quality opponents now. Let's go to the quality opponents. Let's just analyze the quality opponents. Argentina 3-0. Mexico 2-2. We scored a goal from open play, the screamer from Bob Reed, and also the own goal. Then now, let's say Qatar. Let's put Qatar in it. We lost to Qatar. And the goal that we scored is also, and these, remember the people, these games will have our best players. I'm not saying that we should win. I'm not showing that the statistics remain the same. We lost to Qatar, and let's put Jordan in it as well. We lost to Jordan 2-1, and we drew with USA 1-1. So, and we drew with Cameroon as well. Cameroon is a quality opponent. So what I'm saying is this now, people. Look at it. Me switch it. I only use the quality opponents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I use 6. So then put everybody. So you 6 are the quality opponents. During that time period. So here me I got to cut. Here one me I got to cut Jordan and Qatar. Pull Jordan. Pull Qatar. Let me tell you why me I do it. And Cameroon. Me only use this, the games them where we have the best team. Me only use the games where we use the best team. So we lost to Argentina. Alright, let's say that boom, Al Grimson first game, whatever. We lost it, so good, we can't see 3 goals. Then now we play against Mexico, in which I think we had a good game. A worldie from Bobby Reed, one play goal, then our own goal. We still do madness. Concede 2 goals there, so. And then against USA, a set piece. So let's look at it now. In those 3 games where we have a best team, possible that we can assemble, we conceded 6 goals and scored 3. We conceded 6 goals and scored 3 when we have our best team. We conceded 6 goals and scored 3. 2 against Mexico, 1 against USA. 2 against Mexico, 1 against USA. That is. And this USA team shouldn't even be ranked. I'm not understate the team. And I'm not saying that I'm not disrespect the USA team. But if you look at the quality of the quality that we have in our team, we should be beating the USA team. At the end of the day, look at those statistics. It's still damning. In those 3 goals that we score, one is a set piece, one is a own goal, and one is a worldie. Where we are going to find ourselves, play some football, possession-based football. The possession, not even possession-based football, but we are create chances and we are score goals from open play. Not like the Bob Reed worldie. That was a breaker play. The Bob, I think somebody controlled the ball and lay it off, but that was a broken play goal. I'm talking about string 2 passes together. Look at the goal the USA almost scored in the last part when Andre Blake come up big, jump up big. That's what I'm talking about, people. That's what I'm talking about. Young just said you're disrespecting the USA team. Their midfield and defense was way better than ours. Listen, I don't agree with that. You have your opinion, I have mine, but I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that.